All right, crew, here is video tutorial number 2. The next task that's been assigned to us is to upload your class disclosure and your class schedule in our class notebook, which is our former OneNote notebook, now moved over to Teams. So in the Teams notebook, so when you open up Teams, we're in the general channel. The first thing you'll see is in the Conversations tab. And Megan has now added an assignment. So for you, you can view it right from there. It's been given to us as an assignment, and it tells us that teachers, we need to upload our classroom disclosure and our schedule to your personal section in the class notebook in Teams. Yours will look a little different than mine. You will have a button that will say to turn in. So when you're done, you'll simply hit that button and it will let us know. You have till next Friday to do that, and you'll get to earn some points, and we're going to decide how we're going to play with those points. So your page will look a little bit different than mine, but it will have a button that allows you to turn that in. That notifies us that you've put that information into your personal section in the class notebook. Also in the conversation, I've also added the link to the YouTube video that I sent out earlier about making sure that Teams was downloaded to your desktop. So that's there, so you can link to it as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to head to the class notebook, and we're going to open up the Kaysville class notebook online. From there, it should open it up so you get to see all this content. If you don't see it, sometimes these this little notebook list, it will let you open it, but it should let you open that and select that. If you notice down here where it says teacher only, you will see a page that's specifically for you. Because I have rights to this, I get to see everyone's, but you won't. You'll just see your page. When you click on, say for example, in Amy's page here, when I click on it and let it load, it has some pages already built in there for you. So there is a page that you'll put your classroom disclosure and one for your daily schedule. So by clicking on that one, it will open it up, and then you can name your page. So let's say this is the 2018-2019, and that's all I need. Then now that I've got that, I'm going to minimize this, and then you can head out and go find your class disclosure. So for example, on my desktop, I have my old library disclosure that I had. So if this was Amy's disclosure, you can simply take it and drag it and drop it and copy it right into there. And then it's where it needs to be, and we can go get it and open it from that document. So it really is just that simple. So once that's in there, now I know that I have that in there. The next thing I'm going to do is go to my daily schedule. And same thing, you can title the page, put 2018-19 daily schedule. And then if you have, again, another option, and I would save it to your desktop. It'll be easier if you already have that. And simply just drag it and dump it in there as well. And then that will show up in both those places. It's really just that simple. So if you'll make sure that before next Friday, you take a minute and you upload those 2 items as your assignment, and then tell us that you've turned that assignment in, and you'll be good to go. If you have questions or need additional assistance, come and get me. But I'm sure that you can probably figure that out, and you'll be no worse for the wear. You'll be great. So take a minute, upload those in there, and Amy, I'll clean up the mess that I just made in yours. Have a great day.